Good morning, children. So, this is the lesson of ninth standard Mauritius. So, in the holidays, did you go for picnic or any tour? Not this year, because this year we are locked down. But last year or in your childhood, did you go any tour for 3-4 days? Because we are planning to go in the next year. So I need some suggestion. Which places can I go for 2-3 days tour, and how should I reach there? So it may be like bus, which is comfortable there, by train, by bus or own vehicle. Okay. So how can I have the food arrangement there? Are there good food hotels? If you know, tell me the names of hotels and what they are going to charge in the hotel. Okay. So what is the weather there then? If I go for that place, is it hot or is it cold? And which is a suitable time to go there? Okay. So historical place, that means what are the things which I can see there historically? Example, when we go for Goa, there are the cuisines of Portuguese style, and we can see the churches. Okay. So one of the student has told me to go to Goa, so we can enjoy 2-3 days there. We can go by own vehicle or even by bus facilities, or you can go by train facilities. So three of them you can choose anyone. It is better to go by own vehicle, but while going you should have all the proper documents of the vehicle and the license and all. Okay. The food arrangement is very good there. You can have varieties of dishes, mostly non-vegetarian, like prawns, chicken, fish, the varieties. And it is hot in summer season. It is the best time is to go for Goa is in the month end of the year, November, December, in the winter season. And historical places means there are many Portuguese scriptures and the monuments and the things like beaches, shells and all, which we can carry for our own, and we can get beautiful photos. The Goa is famous for beaches. I hope you all love to go for beach, because it is full of water and we can enjoy there, having variety of food, variety of things, and the place for lovers of non-vegetarians. Okay, people go for Goa in the month of December, at the time of Christmas and to New Year. To celebrate New Year they go. Yes. So it is hot in summer, but people go for Goa in the summer holidays, and also at the month of winter, in the end of the year. So where is Mauritius? Where is Mauritius means it is in south coast of Africa. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America and Antarctica. So it is south coast of the Africa. It is in the south coast of Africa, in between. So the author is also telling, R.K. Lakshman is saying that I was traveling, I was moving by the flight, I was unable to find Mauritius in the atlas of world. So he was having the world atlas to see where is Mauritius, but he did not find it. But when he find it, he searched about it, the details of Mauritius. Our India is here and this is Mauritius, very far away, but it is surrounded with sea water and it in the middle of the sea, Indian Ocean. Okay. Next, so let us go for about the author. This is your lesson, the Mauritius. So who wrote this lesson? I have sent you about R.K. Narayan. So who is R.K. Narayan? R.K. Narayan is a brother of R.K. Lakshman. So let us learn about R.K. Lakshman. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Lakshman. So his full form is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer. His father name was Krishnaswamy. He was from Rasipuram and his surname was Iyer. His name is Lakshman. He born on 24th October. Okay, and he died on January 26, 2015. Was born on 24th of October 1921 in Mysuru. His father was a headmaster and Lakshman was the youngest of 6 sons. He had 5 brothers. One of his older brothers, R.K. Narayan, is very well known novelist. Older brother means his elder brother. While still at college, Lakshman started drawing cartoons for the Hindu. So we can see the drawings of R.K. Lakshman. He was a best cartoonist also and he drew many pictures for his brothers Malgudi days. We can see the pictures, images, what he drawn by the pencil sketch in those days. So it was by R.K. Lakshman. While still at college, Lakshman started drawing cartoons for the Hindu paper, the Koravanji Kannada humor magazine, the funny magazine, and later for the Times of India. He drew cartoons for the Hindu paper, the Koravanji paper and the Times of India. He is known for his distinct illustrations, most notably for Malgudi Days, written by R.K. Narayan. We can see his illustrations, that means his beauty of writing in Malgudi Days, dialogues. He has won many awards that include the Padma Bhushana, Padma Vibhushana and Raman Magse Award. He got many awards in that Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Raman Magse Award. Mauritius is a traveler adopted from Idle Hours by R.K. Lakshman. So he has written the book Idle Hours. Idle Hours means very different or special hours where he spent his time. So Mauritius is also a lesson adopted from the Idle Hours. So this is in this lesson we can see that R.K. Lakshman was travelling by plane. When he was travelling by the plane, he saw the world map. In the world map, it was having many dots. ತೂತ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಳೀದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಯಾಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ದ ವೆದರ್. ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ನಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು 2 ದಿನ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದು ಒಂಥರ ಬೂರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಂಗೆ, ಚಪಾತಿ ಆಗಲಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೂರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ in that way, because aವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು, it was either on the paper or in the cloths, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೂ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. So by seeing the world atlas, he says that in his story that by seeing the world atlas I found Mauritius, but I did not get the information, so I went to search on it by reading. And when he read about Mauritius, he was surprised that it was a very small place surrounded by water and there were different kinds of people. That means all the people from different countries were living there, and the water it is full of surrounded with water. There were some animals, flora and fauna, and it is having very bad history that there were cyclones. ಪ್ರಳಯ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರು ಸುತ್ತ ನೀರು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಾಗ ನೀರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ 7 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ 15 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೂ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಸಾಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ದೇ ವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ದೇ ವರ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ Mauritius is a beautiful place. So everyone want to see the Mauritius. In this lesson he is telling about the Mauritius. Mauritiusನಾಗ ಏನೇನದ, ಹೆಂಗದ, ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, he is telling everything about the Mauritius. So let us see what he is saying in the lesson. The world atlas I have with me has many little dots. So I have a atlas, but it is having little dots and specks which have really nothing to do with the world or geography. ಅದ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇರಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋದು geography. Geography means the knowledge of the land, ಎಲ್ಲದ ಹೆಂಗದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು. Nowadays we are using Google map. So but in olden days we were not having, they used to see in the maps. It is an old one. He is telling the world atlas is old one, and time, the weather and generation of cockroaches. The weather also and the cockroaches also have put them there. So it was with some difficulty that I was able to locate. Mauritius in the vastness of the Indian Ocean. It is a tiny speck of an island situated below the equator. He is telling where is Mauritius. It is a vastness of the Indian Ocean. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಓಷನ್, ಅದರ ನಡು Mauritius is it is a tiny speck of an island. It is an island, a small, tiny means very small island below the equator of the 20th parallel. So here we can see in the map, below the equator. This means this is equator. So this line is called as equator. He is telling Mauritius is below the equator. Okay. On the 20th parallel, some 4,500 kilometers southwest of Bombay. It is far away from 4,500 kilometers of southwest of Bombay. Southwest means, yesterday I told you, so upper part is north, lower part is south. North, south, west side is left side and right is east side. So southwest, at the left side of the southeast, southwest of Bombay. Our aircraft is bearing us towards it. He is telling our aircraft was going near to it through the occasional gloss in the clouds. So below his aircraft there was a full of clouds. I glimpsed the ocean spread like a bluish grey steel sheet. It was shining because of water. Which color? Bluish grey, not dark, fully dark blue, but even mixture of grey because the sand and the green trees, the beaches. There are acres and acres of cloud. So there were big clouds below me having all sorts of funny shapes. So when we see clouds, we can imagine in varieties of pictures. We can imagine like horse, dog, cat, animal, or some faces like goddesses. We can see the images as our perception. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ acres and acres of cloud below me having all sorts of funny shapes like cartoons, because he was a cartoonist and he was always feeling as funny shapes in an abstract way. ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. Curiously, they resemble figures in the ancient legends of China. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೈನಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೈನಾ, ರೋಮ್, ಗ್ರೀಸ್, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೈನಾದಾಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ ಇದ್ದರು, ರೋಮ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಗ್ರೀಸ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ and Swami Vivekananda, the people, Basaveshwara, Mahadevi, he was imagining all those pictures. Next he is telling that I cannot help drawing a comparison. So he is telling I cannot compare the things, all are looking different, albeit ridiculous and rather far-fetched between my vague observation at 10,000 meters watching the clouds and what I learn of Mauritius later. When he was seeing below, he was seeing full of clouds and the clouds were imagining different pictures. So later on he thought, okay, let me get the knowledge of Mauritius. Then later he did, this is a tiny island, has an astonishingly similar variety, strange juxtapositions, incongruities, odd mixtures of race and languages. In the Mauritius there are different caste people, they look little bit differently, the mixture of people there. He is telling odd mixtures, fully opposite people, looking fully opposite, and race, caste and language. So in the next paragraph she is telling about the people of Chinese are there, Biharis are there, Dutch, Persians, Tamil, Arabs, French, English, all type of people are there. Here Africans and Chinese, Biharis and Dutch, Persians and Tamils, Arabs, French and English all rub shoulders merrily with one another and emerge with a peculiar sense of oneness. So he is telling here Africans, Chinese, Biharis, his Chinese, Biharis and Dutch, Persians and Tamils are there. So they are rubbing the shoulders. Rubbing shoulders means they work together. Rubbing the shoulders means working together without any misunderstanding. French and English all rub shoulders merrily with one another and emerge with a peculiar sense of oneness, Vaggattu. So they were working together. A Tamil, so there was a man, Tamilian, for instance, wears a deceptively South Indian face. He looks like South Indian. South Indian means Indiadaga keಳಗಿನವರು, ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ಕಡೆಗಿನವರು. And name to go with it to boot, Radha Krishna Govinda. His name was Radha Krishna Govinda, is indeed from Madras. He is from Madras. I speak to him in Tamil. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ತಮಿಳ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ. ಐ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ತಮಿಳ್. He surprises me by responding in a frightfully mangled English. He surprises me by responding. ಸೊ ಅವ್ನು ನನಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಬೈ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರೈಟ್ಫುಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ದ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಹೆವಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸೆಂಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ French people, so he had the accent of French. Accent means the way of speaking. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿದವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ದವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ. Mr. Govindan has no knowledge of Tamil and his tongue has ceased curling to produce tam sounds centuries ago. Mr. Govindan has no knowledge of Tamil and his tongue has ceased curling to produce tam sounds centuries ago. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ತಮಿಳ್ ಅವನೇ ಇದ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಿಷಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಉಳಿದು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನೇ ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ, ತಮಿಳನ್ನು ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಯಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫೆಲೋ ಮೆನ್. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಂಥವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಟು ದ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫೆಲೋ ಮೆನ್, ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಟು ದ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ಸ್. ಆಳಾಗಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೊಲದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆರ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಂಚರ್ಡ್ ಲೇಬರರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜೀತದ ಆಳಾಗಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಬ್ಬು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಹೊಲದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜಂಗಲ್. ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾಗವಾನಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ, ಸಾಗವಾನಿ ಗಂಧದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಜಂಗಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜಂಗಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಇನ್ to the boats. So they need boats, they need a people to cut the timber for the factories. So they were brought to Mauritius. Their roots in their original homelands withered and disappeared with the passage of time. ಬರ್ತಾ ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲಿನವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ಹೊಸ ಜನ ಬಂದರು. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೂ ಎವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಮಂಗ್ ದ ಬುಕನೇರಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಮಾರಿಷಿಯಸ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ? ನವಡೇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್, ಅಮೇರಿಕನ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾರಿದ್ರು? ಟ್ರಿನಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3 country people, Dutch, French and the English. So Dutch came to India also, French also came. Why they came to India? To do business. So even they went for Mauritius also, who constantly waged battle for the possession of the island. They fought with the people, that means they ruled the Mauritius also. ದೇ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರಿಷಿಯಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾರಿಷಿಯಸ್ದವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಆಳಾಗಿ ದುಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಗರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳೀತಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್, ಮಸಾಲ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು. ಏನೇನು ಮಸಾಲ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಚನ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಚಕ್ಕೆ, ಲವಂಗ, ಮೆಣಸು, ಇಲೈಚಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜೀರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಟೈಮ್ ರೂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಿರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸಸ್. ಬರ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಬೇರೆ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಮಾರಿಷಿಯಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಾರಿಷಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ read the lesson again and again because it is very interesting and we will get the knowledge of different places. So what did we learn today? We have learned about where is Mauritius, who has written the lesson, who is the author. The author is R.K. Lakshman. And where is Mauritius? So let us watch a video of Mauritius. Come.